In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pencil with Notion on iPad. What works, what doesn't, and easy workarounds. Notion on the iPad doesn't support native freehand drawing or handwriting directly on the page, but the Apple Pencil is still useful for a few key tasks, and there are reliable ways to bring your sketches into Notion when you need them. First, think of your Apple Pencil as a precise finger for navigation. You can scroll through pages, place your cursor exactly where you want it, highlight and select text, and interact with buttons and menus. If you prefer the pencil for accuracy, this alone can make moving around your workspace feel smoother and more controlled. Next, you can write in text fields throughout Notion. This includes database properties, page titles, paragraphs, and comments. Tap into any text area and start writing with your pencil. With Apple Scribble enabled in settings, your handwriting is automatically converted to typed text as you go. You can use Scribble gestures too, like scratching out a word to delete it or drawing a vertical line to insert a space. It's a quick way to capture ideas without switching to the keyboard, and it keeps everything clean and searchable. If you want actual ink drawings or handwritten notes, you'll need a simple workaround. Create your sketch in an app built for the Apple Pencil, such as Apple Notes, GoodNotes, or Procreate. These tools give you pressure sensitivity, brushes, and shapes, everything Notion doesn't natively offer. When you're done, export your drawing. For a static image, choose a common format like PNG or JPG. If the app offers a shareable web link or a way to publish your canvas, that can give you a more interactive result. Now bring it into Notion. On your page, add an embed block. For images, upload the file and it will appear as a movable block you can resize and caption. For web content, paste the share link, and Notion will embed it so you can view it right inside your page. This keeps your notes and visuals together, while still using the best tool for drawing. You can also use third-party tools designed to be embedded, like Whiteboard or Notion Draw, to make quick, simple diagrams and drop them into your page with a share link. It's not the same as drawing directly in Notion, but it's fast, tidy, and works reliably. That's the complete picture. Use the pencil for navigation and scribble in text fields, and rely on dedicated drawing apps or embeddable tools to get sketches into Notion.